If concentration of H plus ion is 3, then calculate pH. So they given concentration of H plus. They given concentration of H plus is 3. Then what is the pH formula? pH equal to minus log concentration of H plus base 10. So substitute that value, minus log concentration of, so concentration of H plus value is 3. Concentration of H plus value is 3. So base 10. So students, we should know the log 3 value. Normally log values, they will be provided the data. So normally what is the log 3 value means? Minus 0.477. So log 3 value is 0.477. So here minus value is there. So I given minus 0.477. Okay students. So concentration of H plus is 3. Concentration of H plus is 3. Then how to find out pH means? pH equal to minus log concentration of H plus, negative logarithmic value of concentration of H plus. Concentration of OH minus ion is 10 power minus 12. Then calculate POH and pH. Concentration of OH minus is 10 power minus 12. Then how to find out POH? There is a formula, POH equal to negative logarithmic value of concentration of OH minus. So this is base 10. Substitute this value in this equation. So instead of OH minus, substitute the 10 power minus 12. So then minus 12 comes in front of log. This is basic rules, students, based on powers and exponents. So here minus 12 is in a power. We can write this one as in front of log. So minus into minus plus 12. Log 10 base 10 is 1. So we know the value of POH. Now POH equal to 12. Then how to find out pH? pH plus POH equal to 14. So based on this formula we can substitute the POH value. pH plus POH equal to 14. Then pH equal to 14 minus POH. 14 minus POH means 14 minus POH value is 12. So 14 minus 2, 12, 2. So we can get the pH value as 2. So first we have to calculate the POH based on OH value. So they given OH value, we have to find out the POH value based on formula. That means POH equal to negative logarithmic value of concentration of OH minus. So find out the POH value, then we can get the answer 12 POH value. Based on POH value we can find out the pH also. So that what is the formula? pH equal to pH plus POH equal to 14. We know the POH value. Substitute in that equation, we can get the pH value is 2. Next, concentration of OH minus. Concentration of H plus is 10 power minus 6. So they are given concentration of H plus is 10 power minus 6. Then calculate the pH value just like above. So negative logarithmic value of concentration of H plus equal to negative logarithmic value of 10 power minus 6. So power we can write as in front of log. So minus into minus plus 6, log 10 base 10 1. So we got a pH value as 6. So now we know the formula, pH plus POH equal to 14. So based on this equation, so we know the pH value. So pOH equal to 14 minus pH. So 14 minus 6. So students, 14 minus 6 how much? So 8. So answer is pOH is 8. So log 2 value is 0.3010, log 3 is 0.477, log 5 is 0.6989. So try to remember minimum these three values. So next question is concentration of OH minus is 8. Concentration of OH minus is 8. Then calculate pH and pOH. So students, so they given concentration of OH minus equal to 8. Then how to find out pOH? We know one formula. pOH equal to negative logarithmic value of concentration of OH minus. Negative logarithmic value of concentration of OH minus. So substitute this value in this equation. So negative log based on concentration of OH minus is 8. So we know only log 2, log 3, log 5. Then how to find out log 8? Simply can write it down as a minus log 2 cube. So 2 cube means 8. Okay, na? Okay students? So minus log 2 cube. We know power we can write as a in front of log. So 3 we can write as in front of log. So log 2. Now see the students. Minus 3 into, we know the log value. We know the log value, log 0.3010. So multiply it students. So minus 0.9030. So now we have pOH value. Now we have pOH value. Then if we know pOH value, pOH equal to minus 0.9. Then how to find out pH? So we know pH plus pOH equal to 14. So pH equal to 14 minus pOH. So calculate students. So 14 minus. So students, actually we got pOH value as minus 0.9. So we can get a value of 14 plus 0.9, 14.9. Students, actually these are the examples. These are the examples. That's why we got 14.9. Actually pH value will not be 14.9. So these are the general examples. We cannot get 14.9 pH value. But just for example, we did how to solve the if they given concentration of OH minus. So based on concentration of OH minus, how to find out pH and pOH? These are some examples. But actually we cannot get pH value as a 14.9. So theoretically it is not, practically it is not possible. Just for example only we consider this one. Concentration of H plus ion is 0.001. Then calculate the pH and pOH value. So students, they given H plus value as 0.001. So this is answer students. So then how to, actually you can write this one as 1 into 10 power minus 3 or simply 10 power minus 3 moles per liter. So if we know H plus value, then pH equal to negative logarithmic value of concentration of H plus. So minus log 10 power minus 3. So minus into minus. So we can get pH 3. If pH is 3, then how to find out the pOH? pH plus pOH equal to 14. Then pOH equal to 14 minus pH. 14 minus 3, 11. So pOH is 11, students. Concentration of H plus ion is 0.0002. Then calculate pH. So concentration of H plus equal to 0.0002. That means after decimal point there is 4 digits. So 2 into 10 power minus 4. So if we know concentration of H plus value, we can find out the pH value. pH equal to minus log concentration of H plus. Substitute the H plus value. Then it becomes minus log 2 into 10 power minus 4. So log AB formula, log A plus log B. So we can apply this formula to log 2 into 10 power minus 4. So log 2 into 10 power minus 4 equal to log 2 plus log 10 power minus 4. So minus is applicable for both. So we can multiply with minus log 2 minus log 10 power minus 4. So minus 4 this is in a power. So we can write this one as in front. So log 2 value 0.3010. So minus 4 comes front means minus of minus 4 log 10 base 10. So minus into minus plus 4. So minus 0.3 plus 4, 3.7. 4 minus 0.3 means 3.7. So pH value is 3.7. pH value is 3.7. So this is the answer.